Secure your home, starting right at the door. Meet the TCL D2 Smart Lock. Setup, done in minutes. No keys, no hassle, just a passcode. Get real-time updates wherever you are. And hands-free auto-locking.
Wait, sweetie! Don't forget your watch and your jacket. Have fun.
It even comes with a built-in doorbell. No extra cost, no extra wiring. Know who's there right now.
Alexa, open the front door.
Powered by 8 AA batteries for long-lasting performance.
Mom, can you open the door for me?
Okay.
Just let them in with a touch. Laser matte excellence. IP55 rated waterproof. Season after season, rain or shine.
Hey, honey.
Hey!
Love that. Love that.
Alexa, is the front door locked?
Yes, your front door is locked.
TCL D2 Smart Lock. Anywhere access. Instant alerts.